Hello and welcome to TriMech Tech Tips. Today we're going to review how we can save a set of features into our design library. If there are some features that you use all of the time and you need to reuse them and you create them from scratch, this is going to be very useful for you because you can actually save those set of features into your design library, and instead of creating them, you just drag them from this design library into your part and they will be added automatically. In order to explain this better, let's go ahead and review an example. In the screen right now, you can see we have a very simple part, and we're gonna add some mounting holes for a plate. So we're gonna start by creating some holes. Maybe I'll create some 10 counterbore and position them in my part. Perfect. Now let's create a linear pattern from these holes. My first direction, I'm going to choose the border at the top. I'm going to space this 140. And I'm going to do a second direction. In this case, I'll do a 60 millimeter spacing and select OK. Well, we can review the part and we can see that I actually have two different configurations, a big plate and a small plate. I'm gonna move now to my small plate. I'm gonna unsuppress this mounting hole and unsuppress the pattern as well. Start editing the features. For my small plate, I'm gonna do a smaller hole. In this case, I'm gonna do an M8. And I'm gonna add this to this configuration. Select OK. And for the pattern as well, I'm gonna reduce this spacing from 140 to 110. Add it only to this configuration and select OK. Now you can see I have two different configurations with two different holes, two different spacing for the holes as well. And now let's go ahead and save these set of features into our design library. So for this, I want to open my design library. I want to point where I want to save this set of features. So I'm going to save it right here. I'm going to select my features. I'm going to pin my design library so it doesn't go away. I'm going to select my set of features and click on Add to Library. Here it's going to show me which features I am saving. It also tells me to specify a file name. I'm gonna select mounting holes. I can also add a description if I wanted to. I'm gonna leave it blank for now and select OK. Perfect. So as you can see, now I have the mounting holes on my design library and I can reuse them in a new part. I have a new part created here, and we're gonna add the mounting holes to our new design. So I can go ahead, click where I want to add it. First, it's gonna tell me which configuration I want to use. I want to either use the small plate holes or the big plate holes. Let's use the big one. And now remember how I mentioned that the thumbnail, not only the thumbnail in our design library, but also the help menu thumbnail, it's going to be the part that we create at the beginning. That's why we want to create a very simple geometry. And first, it asks us to specify the first edge that we use for the direction of our linear pattern. So I'm gonna select that edge and specify it here. And then it tells me to select the second edge. I'm gonna select the edge here, and we can see how easy it was to create the mounting holes. With that, I want to thank you for your time. I hope this is pretty helpful.